Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the fastest ways to make money online, even if you're starting with nothing. No fancy degrees, no crazy investments, just you, your internet connection, and a little bit of hustle. So, if you're ready to kiss those broke days goodbye and start stacking some serious cash, smash that like button and get ready to take some notes. Alright, first up, freelancing. It's one of the most flexible and accessible ways to start earning money online. Think you don't have skills? Think again. Everyone has something to offer. Can you write a decent email? Boom, you're a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are in high demand for tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and more. Good at designing stuff on Canva? You're a graphic designer. Businesses and individuals need eye-catching graphics for social media, websites, and marketing materials. Tons of gigs out there don't require years of experience. You can start with basic tasks and gradually build your portfolio. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are your go-to. They connect freelancers with clients looking for a wide range of services. Fiverr is great for offering services starting at just $5. It's perfect for beginners to get their foot in the door. Start small, get good reviews, and watch your income soar. Positive feedback can lead to more clients and higher paying gigs. Upwork is more project-based, and you bid on jobs. It's a bit more competitive, but it offers opportunities for larger projects. It's competitive, but the payoffs can be huge. With dedication and quality work, you can land high-paying clients. The best part? You're your own boss. You have the freedom to choose the projects you want to work on. Set your own hours, choose your clients, and work from anywhere. Whether it's a coffee shop, your home, or even a beach, the choice is yours. It's the ultimate side hustle and can turn into a full-time income. Many freelancers start part-time and eventually make it their main source of income. So, head over to Fiverr or Upwork and create your free account today. Start exploring the endless opportunities that freelancing has to offer. Maybe freelancing seems intimidating. The idea of finding clients, managing projects, and meeting deadlines can be overwhelming. Want something easier? Try online surveys. They are simple, straightforward, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Companies pay for your feedback on their products and services. Your opinions help them improve and innovate. You're not going to get rich, but it's an easy way to make extra cash. Think of it as a way to earn some pocket money or save up for small treats. Two great sites are Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. They are reputable and have been around for years. Swagbucks gives you points for surveys, videos, and shopping online. It's a versatile platform with multiple ways to earn. Redeem points for gift cards or cashback. You can choose from a variety of popular retailers. Survey Junkie pays you cash through PayPal. It's a straightforward way to get your earnings directly. Sign up for multiple sites to have plenty of surveys to choose from. This increases your chances of finding surveys that match your interests. Quit a survey if it's not interesting or taking too long. Your time is valuable, so don't waste it on surveys that aren't worth it. It's a fun and easy way to make extra cash. Plus, you get to share your opinions and influence products and services. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Sell your crafts online. Turn your passion into profit by sharing your unique creations with the world. Love making things with your hands. Whether it's intricate jewelry, beautiful pottery, or aromatic candles, your handmade items can find a home online. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for you. They provide a marketplace where your creativity can shine and reach a global audience. Etsy is like the world's biggest online craft fair. It's a vibrant community where buyers and sellers connect over a shared love for unique handmade items. Sell handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. From one-of-a-kind art pieces to carefully curated vintage finds, there's a place for everything. You don't need to be a professional artist. Even if you're just starting out, Etsy welcomes all levels of craftsmanship. Etsy celebrates creativity and individuality. Your unique style and personal touch are what make your items special. Whether it's jewelry, candles, or clothing, there's an audience for it. People are always looking for unique handmade items that stand out. Create a shop, list your items, and start sharing your creations. Use social media to reach even more potential customers. Etsy provides tools to manage your shop and process orders. From inventory management to sales analytics, everything you need is at your fingertips. Building a successful Etsy shop takes work. Dedication and consistency are key to growing your business. Create high-quality products, take amazing photos, and write compelling descriptions. These elements help attract buyers and showcase your work in the best light. The financial freedom from running your own business is awesome. It allows you to turn your passion into a sustainable income. Head over to Etsy and start setting up your shop today. The journey of turning your craft into a thriving business begins with a single step. So there you have it. 3 simple ways to start making money online. The key is to take action. Choose one method and commit to it. You might be surprised at how much you can make with a little effort and creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.